Let's understand what is the exact meaning of agriculture or agricultural operations or agricultural purposes. The Act nowhere defines the term agricultural operations or agricultural purposes. That is, Income Tax Act nowhere defines what is agriculture or agricultural operations, but it is the Supreme Court which had laid down guidelines for determining the scope of these terms. It is basically in the case CIT versus Raja Binoy Kumar Sahasroy. So it is in this case, Supreme Court has come out with guidelines as to how to arrive at the meaning of the terms agriculture or agricultural operations or agricultural purposes. Okay. For this purpose, agricultural activities are divided into two parts. So when we say agricultural activities, it is basically divided into two parts. What are they? One is basic operations. One is basic operations and the other one is subsequent operations. Okay, the other one is subsequent operations. Let me put it here. So what do we mean by basic operations? When we say basic operations, it is where we apply human skill, labor on the land before germination. That is, say, tiling of land, sowing of seeds, planting, irrigation. Okay, so basic operation means it is something where we are going to apply human skill. I'll write HS, labor, and we are going to apply this on land. And when we will apply this, we will be applying this prior to germination. Okay, right. So this is basic operation. And one thing, be clear, there should be an application. That is, there should be an application of human skill, there should be an application of labor on the land. It means if something is going to happen without application of this, then that's not agriculture. Okay, look at here. Any spontaneous growth from land itself without any human effort cannot be termed as agricultural operation. Okay, so this is about basic operation. Then we have subsequent operations. What do we mean by subsequent operations? These are all the operations which fosters the growth and preserves the produce for rendering the produce fit for sale in market and which are performed after the produce sprouts from the land. Okay, so when we say subsequent operations, these are all basically operations which fosters growth. Okay, they foster growth and they are also going to preserve the produce. Now why we are preserving the produce? So that we can ensure the produce is fit for sale in the market, and these operations are performed. When it is performed, these operations are performed after the produce sprouts from the land. Okay, so it can be like say digging the soil. It can be like digging the soil around the growths. Then it can also be removal. It can also be removal of undesirable undergrowths. Then it can also involve weeding, tending, pruning, cutting, harvesting, and so on. Okay, so now we have a fair idea about what is agriculture. Agriculture or agricultural activities based on the Supreme Court guidelines. It is divided into two. One is basic operation, the other one is subsequent operation. Basic operation is something where we are going to apply human skill and labor on the land prior to germination. It can be like tiling of land, sowing of seeds, planting, irrigation and all. Any spontaneous growth from land without any human efforts are not considered as agricultural income. Then, or sorry, agricultural activity. Then the subsequent operations are those operations which are going to foster the growth and they will preserve the produce so that they are rendered fit for sale in the market. That is the ultimate objective, and they are performed actually after the produce sprouts from the land. So these are all the activities which you can consider under subsequent operations.